A very good morning to all the respected guests, dignitaries, delegates, and all the dear participants. With great jubilation and exhalation, I, Priyanka Rathod, organizing secretary of this program, on behalf of entire SAGE Group and Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy, Bhopal, feels privileged to extend my warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Dr. Anil Kothari, sir, Director General, Madhya Pradesh Council of Science and Technology, respected Ms. Shivani Agrawal, Madam, Executive Director of the SAGE Group. Simultaneously, I welcome respected Dr. R.V. Goswami, sir, Director, SIRT Pharmacy, and all the reputed speakers, delegates, and participants from all over the India for the inaugural function of this AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored online 5 days faculty development program on topic entitled Emotional Quotient, Intelligent Quotient, and Social Quotient, which is going to be organized by Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy, Bhopal. Before starting, as we know that life is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. Similar as the sunlight expels darkness, similarly, blessings brings in our life happiness and prosperity. For making this event, this program a successful one, let's join our hands for before Ma Saraswati ji and by kindling a lamp of joy and invoke Goddess Saraswati. Now proceeding forward, I would like to introduce amongst you all our SAGE Group, which is the leading business and educational group of Central India and emerged as a unique center of excellence at all the levels of education, real estate, electrical infrastructure, and industry. Our various ventures, for example, SAGE University Bhopal and Indore, Sagar Group of Institutions, SAGE International School, Agrawal Construction, My SAGE Hospital are using the world-class management technique and has uncompromising learning standards and sustainability. SAGE Group in the small time and tenure has reached to a extreme height and become a symbol of brightness and prosperity in the society. Our main tagline is bringing happiness to society, and we are working on the same path towards the fulfillment of this dream. We transform education into a passion. When we talk about the SIRT Pharmacy, it was established in year 2004 with the aim to improve and develop better healthcare under the umbrella of Shri Agrawal Technical Education Society. SIRT Pharmacy is one of the first institutes of Bhopal which is going accredited by NBA and considered as a peerless center of superiority at the various levels. With abundance of these awards and recognitions from the various eminent personalities of our country, SAGE Group is devoted to serve superlative. The main pillar behind this success and achievement is our inspiration, Honorable Chairman, Engineer Sanjeev Agrawal sir, our Vice Chairman, Dr. Prashant Jain sir, our encouraging Chairperson, Madam, Mrs. Kiran Agrawal, ma'am, our young and Executive Directors, Ms. Shivani Agrawal, Madam, and Ms. Sakshi Agrawal, ma'am. right now, many of them are not present with us, but I know their blessing is always with us for the successful of this program. Now, I request Surbi ma'am to please play a small video about our sage group for our participants. Thank you, Subi ma'am. The motive behind this faculty development program is to improve the teachers or one's the ability to manage their emotions such as self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship management, and their connection with the students. So, and also to realize the true potential within which the teachers or faculties they are having within us, and they can change. Yes, they can change their student world in a very better way. So, to be an effective teacher, they should have the high emotional and social quotient apart from the intelligent quotient. And this is possible only when the faculty is empathetic, caring, understanding, and themselves satisfied with their job. So teachers EQ, that is emotional quotient and social quotient, they have a considerable effect on the student academic procurement progress. So teachers with the high EQ and IQ, they inculcate the self-motivation, self-awareness, and self-control, social awareness, and social skills in their students' behavior. We have 156 registered participants, and I hope that all these faculties, all these participants from all over the India will inculcate something good through this faculty development program, and which they can utilize for the betterment of their students. So with these words, now over to you, Survi ma'am.
Thank you, Priyanka madam. And good morning to all the participants, our esteemed chief guest, Executive Director, Ms. Shivani Agrawal madam, Dr. R.B. Goswami sir, Director, SIIT Pharmacy. I, Professor Survi Jain, SIIT Pharmacy, would like to welcome you all once again. Now I would like to welcome respected Dr. R.B. Goswami sir, convener of the program, Director, SIIT Pharmacy, for welcome speech. Sir, please welcome.
Thank you, Surbi ma'am. Good morning, one and all present here. On behalf of the SAGE family, I welcome all the honorable guests and delegates to the inaugural program of the Atal Academy sponsored online FTP program. I welcome our chief guest of the program, Dr. Anil Kothari sir, Director General MAPCOS, for sparing his valuable time and joining his very busy schedule. Personally, thank you, Kothari sir. And I also welcome our dynamic and energetic Executive Director of SAGE Group, Ms. Shivani Agrawal madam, who is the preside over the inaugural program. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And I'm also thankful to Dr. Meenal madam, who is the convener of R&D in the SAGE Group. Thank you. This is the second Atal Academy sponsored online FTP granted to SIIT Pharmacy. And I also wish to acknowledge the AICTE for the grant. Dear participant, the topic of the FTP is a very unique rather than that and different conventional topic. If the person have the balance of these three Q, means it delivered the 100% and achieved the goal. It's my personal and view of this particular topic. Emotional intelligence is the personal ability to understand and use their emotion to overcome the conflict in the different situations and build the relationship with the other people and also our student and achieve the goal they set. A good EQ level allows the individual to correctly understand their desire and build the healthy relationship with the partner and as well as our student and achieve the career success. And definitely, in my view, they all are the faculty members and teachers. They definitely have the more IQ level. That's why he is the teacher. But the balance of EQ and SQ is very important in nowadays. If you are not connected with the student, you not deliver the 100%. And so connection is depend on this both three Qs. So the person actually EQ is the character of the theme. Person have the type of characters depend on EQ. And IQ definitely have the knowledge about the topic and extra. And SQ is the very important. If the person have the SQ quotation means your ability to build up the network of your friends and maintain it over the long period. So people that have the EQ and SQ tends to go further in than the other those have the IQ. So and you have to see that somebody told the person is personality is very high. So means a social equivalent is very high for that person. So we are hopeful that our learned the speakers be able to the strengths and thrust of all the participants and make this FTP learning experience to the all. So once again, welcome and thanks for being a part of the inaugural program. Thank you. Thank you very much. Priyanka ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your golden words and for your motivational words to all of us. Now it's time to invite our young dynamic leader, which she's full of happiness, amazing new ideas, inspiration for every Sagian. My personal favorite, our respected young executive director of the Sage Group, Ms. Shivani Agrawal, madam. She's an inspiration for many minds. She's very humble and kind in nature. I especially loved how she's having a positive solution to all the problems. Ms. Shivani Agrawal ma'am has studied from Manet, Bhopal, and also she has completed her study from UCLA, USA. And she is a type of positive energy who carries a mesmerizing and charming smile on her face all the time. So with these words, I would like to welcome Ms. Shivani Agrawal ma'am, Executive Director, the Sage Group. Ma'am, please grace us with your golden words. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Surabhi ma'am. And thank you, Goswami sir, for inviting me to this very nice event. I am looking forward to hearing so many good thoughts about, about everything about IQ, EQ, and SQ, as you mentioned. I also welcome Dr. Anil Kothari to Sage online. We would also love to see all the participants offline in our campus. Now students have also started to come. So, we are looking forward to more of offline conferences now. But of course, online is again a boon because people who are not here in Bhopal, who are not physically present, are also able to connect to this media. So there is good in each and everything possible. Like COVID also, though it brought many bad vibes and many it took so many negative turns, but again it gave us so much positivity also in terms of how we developed technically and how digitally developed we are now after COVID, as we were before. All the inertia that was there towards digital using digital media is now overshadowing. So everything has its good and bad, and if all of us look toward have a positive approach towards the good thing, then we'll be better off. As Surabhi ma'am was also telling, how if as a person we are positive, we can spread positivity. So with that thought, the topic is really, really good. I really feel glad that we will be talking about social quotient as well in this conference. We always have been hearing about IQ and EQ. Initially it was just intelligence quotient, then we moved on to EQ, and now we are further moving on to SQ. So I would especially like to mention Goswami sir very nicely pointed out the importance of SQ. Every one of us here is intelligent. Of course, that is why we are here. That is why we got the opportunity to be here. That is why we are, passing on our intelligence to our students and, from the people to the people who learn from us. So we are all intelligent. We all may be having different levels of intelligence quotient, but, in some or the other field, we are our best selves. That is why, people are taking our guidance. So IQ is necessary. It is good to have, and we can always brush up our IQ by reading good books, by surfing the net, by there are so many ways. I need not even mention the ways through which we can develop our intelligence. So the intelligence is a little bit about information. So information and knowledge. So information, what is the difference between information and knowledge? So information is something which we acquire, and knowledge is then how we turn it to, how we turn the information into something usable, how we convert it to our, daily life. That is knowledge. That is having knowledge. So as we grab more information through different sources, through different people, and through different media, we always are pondering over how we can convert that intelligence to knowledge, and that shows our IQ. That is that is the level of our IQ. Next, EQ. how we convert that knowledge into also emotions, which is very, very necessary. All the TV ad people, what are they doing? All the brands who are who are playing with our emotions, what are they doing? Playing not in a negative sense but also positively. Like we see so many advertisements of child care products, which actually the makers of those advertisements play with our emotions, as a mother or as a caregiver. Like how good, if you use our blanket, how good your child will be during his sleep, or how better off your child will be if he drinks our brand's milk, or our brand's whatever the products that we mix with milk. So that is that is actually meddling with our emotions in a positive sense. And we all buy that product just because we are captivated by the thing that they are selling us emotionally. So after IQ, so they actually acquired the knowledge of what people are wanting, of what the problems are that people are facing, and then they convert it into emotion, and then they sell us the emotion. We like Sage also is a brand, and if we are able to sell Sage as an emotional brand, I am 100% sure that we'll be much better off as compared to if we just keep on saying that Sage gives this. If we say Sage is able to turn your life into something this, then we'll be better off selling our brand to people. So that is actually entering into the emotional world of people, entering into the heart of people, and not just the brain. By using our intelligence, we only enter into the brain of a person, but when we enter into the heart of person, we live there for longer. You also all must have experiences in your life how you meet hundreds of people on weekly basis. Some people you find good by heart, and some people you merely find intelligent. Whom do you remember for a longer period of time? Whom do you become friends with? Whom do you refer to other people? You refer to only people, you refer people who are good at heart and not just intelligent. So good at heart people generally are more emotionally active, do have a greater emotional quotient. So all of us should be, after IQ, working on our emotional quotient, working on how we can engage other people emotionally. That is all love is about. All of us watch movies, all of us see, even though the hero and the heroine are from different worlds altogether, and still they are not able, the forces are all in the opposite direction, but they're not able to leave each other. It is all about emotions. Because they are connected emotionally. This happens in real life too. All of us have maybe faced that too. So that is the importance of connecting with people emotionally. And even as a brand, even as an organization, even as a company, if we start considering a company as a person, then only then we'll be able to make friends. As a company, we'll be able to make friends with other people. So engaging people emotionally is that important. Now we talk about social quotient. What does social actually mean? All of us are social beings. All of us are social animals, rather. All of us are animals, but because we are human beings, we are connected with each other socially. Some people are introvert, some people are extrovert. I am not saying that introvert people are not social beings. Sometimes introvert people are more socially active as compared to extrovert people, because extrovert people may be talking too much, but they may not be able to connect with people emotionally. So it is not about being introvert or extrovert. It is not about sharing information or not sharing information. It is all about how, how socially active you are when, when you are meeting with people, how you are able to make those people get impressed by your personality, and how much those people want to meet you the next time, how much those people want to talk to you the next time. And each one of us, all of us want to progress in life. I don't think anybody in this meeting would be there who would be, saying that, no, I am well satisfied with wherever I am. I don't want to grow more. I am good as I am. We should be satisfied, but all of us want to do, want to get to the next level. So, socially also and emotionally also, when we connect to good people, those people help us to get to the next level. All of us need references sometime. All of us need to talk to people sometime, because all of us have family, but sometimes, in some phases of our life, we need people outside family to also refer to talk to share our problems with, to share our happiness with, all kinds of things. So it is very, very important to make good friends, choosing friends wisely, as as our parents also always taught us that choosing friends wisely is very important. Fretting the friends initially is very important, because we are as our surroundings are. If our surroundings are good, we'll be good. If our surroundings are toxic, we'll be toxic. So it is very important to fret our environment. But once we do that, once we are satisfied, we have to trust people, and we have to actually make other people trust us. It is all give and take. So, it is very, very important that we become social beings in a good sense, as in we are, we ourselves are good and other people are good to us. And I am 110% sure if we become, good people, then everybody else will be good to us. Yesterday, I was actually watching Thalaivi, the movie which is about Jayalalitha. It is a very slow movie, so I was fast forwarding it and I was just watching it. I just really loved the plot of it, and how what circumstances she faced while through her life, and then she became CM of Tamil Nadu and everything about it. So one thing that I took from that movie was how Jayalalitha was taught the skill of doing good for people, and in return not expecting anything, and automatically people will do good for her. So that is one skill that she lived by and became successful. So why not all of us? Why not all of us, first, give away our hand of help, our hand of happiness towards other people. And in return, don't expect anything. Automatically, God will, do that for us. So with that thought, I'll not take much of the time, because I am sure there are so great people, so great speakers here who will be teaching us with how we can increase our IQ, EQ, and SQ. So thank you so much again for inviting me, Goswami sir, Surabhi ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, you wonderfully correlate and precisely taught about all the three questions wonderfully. And we are excited to learn all the three in detail. But you really draw a picture that what we are going to study in coming days. So thank you so much, ma'am, for all time love, encouragement, and support to all of us. Now it's time to invite our esteemed chief guest. Now I would like to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Anil Kothari sir, Director General Madhya Pradesh Council of Science and Technology, MPCST Bhopal. Before moving forward, I would like to take opportunity to introduce our today's chief guest. Dr. Kothari sir has completed his PhD in Mechanical Engineering and MBA. He is having more than 28 years of experience and specializations in startups, innovation, incubation, training and placement, advanced education systems. Sir has also worked as a project director and head at Samrat Ashok Technical Institute, Vidisha, in more than 16 years of experience. In 2009, Sir has held his position as Dean and Director in RGPV Bhopal. Currently, sir is a Director General in MPCST and also a scientific advisor to the government of Madhya Pradesh. So with these words, sir, I would like to welcome you to address our participants, to motivate us. Welcome, sir.
Very good morning to all. SIRT फार्मेसी जो सेज ग्रुप का इंस्टीट्यूट है, AICT स्पॉन्सर्ड एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम 3Q के ऊपर हमारी फैकल्टी के लिए आज उसका इनॉग्रल ओकेशन है। और इस इनॉग्रल ओकेशन पे इस ग्रुप की यंग एंड डायनामिक एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेज ग्रुप मिस शिवानी अग्रवाल, उनको आपने सुना ही अभी एक किस तरीके से एक उनका अपना एक विजन है। डॉक्टर RB गोस्वामी, डायरेक्टर ऑफ SIRT-P, प्रोफेसर प्रियंका, प्रोफेसर सुरभि जैन, all faculty member of SAGE group, and importantly all faculty member who have joined this important program. First of all, I must congratulate to SAGE group, especially for SIRT Pharmacy, for conducting this important faculty development program. और especially मैं इस ग्रुप के चांसलर हैं, सेज यूनिवर्सिटी चांसलर डॉक्टर संजीव अग्रवाल सर, जो कि एक इंस्पिरेशन, सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन है पूरे ग्रुप के लिए। और बहुत कम समय में इस पूरे नॉट ओनली स्टेट, पूरे देश में एक बेहतर डिलीवरी के माध्यम से, एक अच्छे स्टूडेंट बनाने के माध्यम से एक अपनी एक पहचान बनाई है इस ग्रुप ने एजुकेशन के फील्ड में। अभी मैंने कहा कि डायनामिक लीडर ऐसे होते हैं कि अभी शिवानी जी ने हाउ ब्यूटीफुली एक्सप्लेन द 3Q एंड हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज इन वंस लाइफ, कि आपको इट्स ए की ऑफ सक्सेस, इट्स ए की ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, इट्स ए की ऑफ डिलाइटनेस। तो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है। और आज के पीरियड में ये 3Q कि हम इंटेलिजेंस के साथ, इमोशनल के साथ, सोशली किस तरीके से एक अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करें, सो दैट हम सोसाइटी के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ और नेशंस के साथ सक्सेसफुली हम अपने आप लाइफ को ले जा सकें और चीज़ों को आगे ले जा सकें। ये रियली इट्स ए वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट कि एक फैकल्टी भी अपने आप इस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को अपने भीतर रखे, सो दैट he can pass on or she can pass on to the student such characteristics, और उनको बेहतर बना सकें, जो कि आज की नीड है, जो कि आज की ज़रूरत है। और निश्चित रूप से इन कमिंग डेज, rightly said शिवानी जी की many experts will come to deliver their lecture, their ideas, और ये it will be very useful for our participants and after all no doubt for a student, ultimately for a student। मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि as my experience, it's true कि nowadays knowledge is not sufficient। केवल आप नॉलेज रख के ही अपने आप को सक्सेस नहीं पा सकते हैं। यदि हम बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक बात करें तो आज आपको वर्क एरियाज में भी, आपको लाइफ में हर मोड़ पे, आज मैं एक सिंपल बात करूं तो किसी भी इंडस्ट्रीज में, किसी भी वर्क प्लेस में, किसी भी एंटरप्रेन्योर को केवल नॉलेज के बेसिस पे ही परफॉर्म नहीं किया जा सकता। आपको फ्लोर पे ही काम नहीं करना, आपको इंडिविजुअल अपने साथ आगे काम नहीं करना, नॉलेज के साथ काम नहीं करना। आज आपको एक टीम के साथ काम करना, आज आपको एक सोसाइटी के साथ मिल के काम करना। आज आपकी सक्सेस के एक अलग क्राइटेरिया है, अलग मापदंड। आपके इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स कितनी है अपने ग्रुप को आगे ले जाने की, अपने प्रोफेशन में आगे बढ़ने की, अपने जिस एरिया में आप काम कर रहे हैं उस एरिया में आप सक्सेस लाने के लिए। ये हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट दीज ऑल क्यूज, so that you can give your best in present scenario, जब आपको लोगों के साथ मिलके काम करना, केवल नॉलेज ही नहीं आपको इम्पार्ट करना, आपको अपनी ऑल टाइप ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस देना है और एक सक्सेस क्रिएट करना है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीबॉडी. और इस FDP के थ्रू डेफिनेटली कि इन कमिंग डेज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स भी फैकल्टी इसको कैरी करेंगी और नो डाउट अल्टीमेटली हमारे स्टूडेंट विल गेट एडवांटेज ऑफ दिस फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम, और वो अपने अपने लाइफ में और अपने अपने वर्क प्लेस में सक्सेस इन इसकी वजह से इसका रोल रहेगा. मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि ये इस आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव में और इतने जब हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और इतना अच्छा एक प्रोग्राम सेज ग्रुप द्वारा और SIRTP द्वारा किया जा रहा है, आई मस्ट कांग्रेचुलेट कि इस प्रोग्राम के लिए, और आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर गिविंग मी सच ए ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंटरेक्ट विद ऑल पार्टिसिपेंट्स, और इट्स ए ऑनर ऑफ मी आल्सो. और मैं बस यही कहूँगा कि मध्य प्रदेश काउंसिल ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, हम वी सपोर्ट all kind of research work, all kind of activity related with the student and faculty member. We invite you all to join MPCST activities and get advantage of sponsoring, supporting any kind of thing which support you to go further. Once again, I am very much thankful to Sage Group, Shivani ji and Priyanka ji, all faculty member, Goswami ji, for inviting me in this prestigious program. I wish to all participants for their bright future. Thank you very much. Thank you.
थैंक यू कोठारी सर, आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हृदय से. आपने इतने व्यस्त समय अपने शेड्यूल में से हमको समय दिया. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again on the behalf of entire Sage Group and from the behalf of all Sagians. We are very fortunate to hear from you. So with these words, now I would like to invite Ms. Priyanka Rathore ma'am for proposing a vote of thanks speech. Ma'am, please welcome. I think Priyanka ma'am has lost her connectivity.
Survi ma'am, you can start.
Yeah, okay, sir. So on the behalf of Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Pharmacy and from the entire Sage Group, I would like to thank our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Anil Kothari sir, Director General MPCST Bhopal, for joining with us and for sparing his valuable time from his busiest schedule. Sir, thank you so much for gracing our event, our inaugural event. Secondly, I would like to thank our young dynamic executive director, Ms. Shivani Agrawal madam. Ma'am, thank you so much for joining with us, and you wonderfully, you refresh all of us and you create an excitement to attend all the sessions of the entire 5 days. Thank you so much, ma'am, once again. Now, I would like to thank Dr. Meenal ma'am for joining with us in our inauguration session. I would like to thank the entire management team of the Sage Group for providing such a wonderful platform to all of us for conducting such an 5 days online FDP program. And also I'm thankful to Dr. RB Goswami sir, Director, Convener of the program, SIRT Pharmacy. Sir, thank you so much for always leading us, motivating us, supporting us, and for all the encouragement you're providing throughout the program. So thank you so much, sir, once again. And I think Priyanka ma'am has joined with us. Priyanka ma'am, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry for technical issue. So I'm profusely elated to take an opportunity and propose a vote of thanks on this inaugural function to my esteemed guests and delegates. First of all, I'm thankful to the man of illuminating ideas, our respected engineer Sanjeev Agrawal sir, chairman of the Sage Group, for always being a source of inspiration for all of us, for not only for the Sagians, also from all over the people in the society. And I would like to
Priyanka ma'am,
Gopal, who blessed us with his gracious presence, took out a valuable time of his busy schedule and motivated us with his thought-provoking address speech. Rightly, sir, you are right. You said teamwork. You said that teamwork is the main key of the success, and very well said. When all the faculties work in a team, teams with a team spirit, with a great leadership, then only our student will learn something good from all their faculties. So thank you so much, sir, for sparing a wonderful time with us. Now, on the behalf of SIRTP and SAGE Group, I would like to thanks the Lady of Illuminating Ideas, that is respected Ms. Shivani Agrawal, ma'am, Executive Director of the SAGE Group, for always being a source of inspiration for the young generation. And I must say that, ma'am, you have beautifully correlated our topic, that is the emotional quotient, intelligent quotient, and social quotient in a person's life. And I'm really fond of you that in a very young age, you see the world with such spirituality, with such honestly, and you have a great experience about the person's life. That's really very amazing. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us always. And yes, we have been fortunate enough that we have led in by a team of very dedicated and eminent speakers. Most of the speakers are joined with us in our inaugural program, like Ashma ma'am, and yes, I can see all the speakers. Most of the speakers have joined. So thank you so much to all of them who are going to conduct this technical session during these upcoming 5 days. And I would like to show my gratitude to them, and very best wishes to all the renowned speakers from all over the India. I'm very grateful to the AICT for Teaching and Learning Academy, that is ATAL, for giving us the opportunity and financial assistance to conduct, to organize this event. I express my sincere gratitude to the management authority of the SAGE Group, who permit and provide us all the support to conduct this program. I'm also thankful to our respected director, Dr. R.B. Goswami sir, who guide us and motivate us at all the times and in each and every situation. And I'm also thankful to all the members of the SIRTP for being with us to work as a team, with the team spirit. Last but not the least, I must mention a deep sense of appreciation to all the participants for being a part of this program. And I hope that your cooperation, your contribution help us to complete this faculty development program with a grand success and accomplishment. So once again, thank you to all the guests, delegates, and participants for joining us. Thank you so much. And for the participants, we will start our first technical section at sharp at 11 a.m. So please be connected with us. By the time you can take the 10 minutes break, and please rejoin at sharp at 11 a.m. for the first technical section by Dr. Asma Rizwanwala from the PMC University.
Okay, thank you, Priyanka ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Executive Director, madam. Thank you, Meenal Saxena ma'am, for joining with us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Kothari sir. Thank you all the participants for joining with us in the inaugural session. And as per the announcement by Ms. Priyanka Rathore ma'am, our technical session will start sharp at 11 a.m. So stay connected with us. We will start our technical session first on the time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.